Hidden network performance monitoring. Use Windows Secret for lightning-fast connections. In the shadows of your operating system lies a tool as powerful as it is overlooked. Hidden network performance monitoring in Windows is the secret weapon that lets you control, optimize, and understand the flow of data through your network. Forget those fastest network tips you read on forums. This tool enables you to dive into the very heart of TCP configurations, squeezing every last drop of speed from your connection. Here's how you can unlock its power and transform your network into a high-speed conduit. Meet the hidden tool, Windows Network Performance Monitor. While third-party software often steals the spotlight for network diagnostics, Windows comes preloaded with its own network performance monitoring commands that can reveal bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas for improvement. By leveraging these commands, you gain access to a suite of TCP/IP settings, usually hidden from the everyday user, designed to enhance network responsiveness and throughput. This isn't just about viewing your network status. It's about fine-tuning parameters that dictate how data flows through your system. The tool offers you control over settings such as receive window auto-tuning and compound TCP, both designed to optimize data transfer rates based on real-time conditions. This is network performance monitoring on a level reserved for those who truly want command over their connection. How to access hidden network performance monitoring. To open this tool, follow these steps. Open command prompt with administrative privileges, right-click and select Run as administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. Netch interface TCP show global. This command will reveal a list of TCP global settings, providing insight into various configurations that influence data transfer and network stability. Key features of Windows Hidden Network Performance Tool. Once you've accessed this shadowed command, you'll find an array of options, each one capable of transforming your network's behavior. Here are the key settings worth knowing. Receive window auto-tuning. This setting dynamically adjusts the receive window size based on changing network conditions, allowing for faster and more efficient data transfer. When enabled, it essentially opens the floodgates to maximize download and upload speeds without manual intervention. Compound TCP, this feature, specifically designed for high-latency connections, enables TCP to send more data across the network at once. Compound TCP detects congestion faster and adjusts the data flow accordingly, making it ideal for applications like streaming, gaming, and large file transfers. ECN capability, explicit congestion notification. Enabling ECN allows your system to recognize congestion earlier, ensuring smoother performance by preventing packet loss. It's particularly useful if your network experiences high traffic. TCP chimney offload. This feature offloads TCP processing from the CPU to the network adapter, freeing up resources and boosting speed, assuming you have compatible hardware. Each of these settings, when configured properly, can make a marked difference in your network's overall performance. The command gives you access to the inner workings of TCP, empowering you to make changes that otherwise remain hidden in the dark corners of Windows network architecture. The secret power: fine-tuning your network for speed. Why bother with these settings? Because network performance hinges on factors most users never see. TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, is the backbone of most online activities, from browsing and streaming to gaming. If this foundation is poorly configured, no amount of speed promises from your ISP can save you from sluggish performance. When you use commands like Netch interface TCP show global, you unlock a treasure trove of network boosting possibilities. Here's a look at how each setting can make a tangible difference. Receive window auto-tuning dynamically manages your download rate, preventing buffer overruns that lead to slow speeds. Compound TCP adjusts how much data your system transmits, minimizing delays in high-latency environments. ECN capability smooths out data flow by adjusting to congestion faster, preventing data packets from dropping and causing those pesky loading screens. Practical steps to optimize your network. To make the most out of these settings, follow these best practices. Enable receive window auto-tuning. In command prompt, enter nesh int TCP set global auto-tuning level equal to normal. This command will allow Windows to adjust the receive window based on current conditions, optimizing your data flow on the fly. Turn on compound TCP for high bandwidth needs. Enter nesh int TCP set global congestion provider equal TOC TCP. This is especially useful if you're on a high-speed fiber connection or dealing with large data transfers, as it ensures better bandwidth utilization. Enable ECN to reduce congestion issues. Use the command nesh ent TCP set global ECN capability enable to prevent packet loss by detecting congestion before it causes issues. Utilize TCP chimney offload on compatible hardware to offload TCP processing from the CPU. Enter nesh int TCP set global chimney enabled. This feature only works if your network adapter supports offloading, so check compatibility before enabling it. When to use Windows Network Performance Monitoring Tool. While useful for nearly anyone, this tool is a game changer for gamers, remote workers, content creators, and streamers. In any high-stakes scenario where even a slight lag can ruin the experience, having direct access to these TCP settings is invaluable. For businesses and remote employees who depend on stable connections for productivity, adjusting TCP settings can make all the difference. And for gamers or streamers, every millisecond counts. With hidden network performance monitoring, you're equipped to troubleshoot lag spikes, increase data flow efficiency, and maintain a stable connection even during peak traffic. The bottom line, command over your network at last. Windows Hidden Network Performance Monitoring Tool isn't just for the tech elite, it's for anyone who craves better control over their connection speed and reliability. By tapping into these powerful, often concealed settings, you're no longer at the mercy of default configurations. Instead, you're stepping into the role of network architect, optimizing data flow according to your own needs. So next time your network bogs down or you're facing lag in an online game, don't simply reboot your router and hope for the best. Access the hidden network commands, fine-tune your settings, and wield the power of TCP to craft a faster, more reliable internet experience. #network performance. #hidden network tools. #Windows Shacks. #TCP settings. #network optimization.